Want a better thumbnail or cover for your TikTok video? Here's how you can change it after posting. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Now from here, select the video whose thumbnail you just want to change. Sometimes TikTok doesn't automatically pick the best thumbnail, so you may want to change it manually. So first you have to select the video, then tap on the three-dot menu. Now swipe left until you see this edit post option. Then tap on it. Now here you will find the edit cover option. And now from this page, you can choose which frame you just want to use as your thumbnail from your video. If you want, you can also add text. TikTok also gives suggested text styles, or you can add your own custom text. And here you will also find the upload option where you can upload a custom thumbnail from your gallery. And after selecting your cover, you can preview how it will look. And if everything looks good and perfect, just tap save. Now TikTok may show a message saying you can edit description and cover once a day. And usually edit can be made within 7 days of posting. And after hit on save, sometimes the thumbnail updates within a few minutes, and sometimes it may take a little longer depending on TikTok. So once it updates, but mine is updated within 2 minutes. So once it updates, your new thumbnail will show on your profile. And that's how you can change your TikTok cover or thumbnail after posting this way. And that's how you can easily change your TikTok covers or thumbnail after posting. I hope this can help you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.